Hello guys, in this video we will talk about Kodo and Windsurf and help you decide which AI code editor is actually better for developers in 2025. So let's start with Kodo. It is a lightweight AI powered code editor designed for fast prototyping, inline code suggestions, and language support across JavaScript, Python, and Go. It emphasizes local first AI with security in mind. On the other hand, Windsurf is a cloud-based AI editor tailored for real-time collaboration, project-wide refactoring, and deep AI integration across your dev environment. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, performance and speed. Kodo is faster and snappier for solo devs. Its minimal design lets you code distraction free, while Windsurf, being cloud based, has occasional latency but makes up for it with a powerful AI capabilities. Number 2, AI features. Windsurf wins in deep contextual suggestions and project aware code rewriting, while Kodo is focused on quick snippet generation and smart completion without requiring internet. Number 3, collaboration and workflow. Windsurf shines with real-time co-editing, version control integration, and team AI chat, while Kodo is more limited in collab features. It is best suited for individual developers. Number 4, language support. Both of them support major languages, but Windsurf includes more tooling for TypeScript, Java, and React, while Kodo works better for quick builds and scripting. Number 5, value. Kodo has a generous free tier and one-time pricing model, while Windsurf offers more features, but its subscription model may not suit for casual users. So for final verdict, if you are a solo dev who values speed and simplicity, you can go with Kodo. And if you work in teams and you need an AI-enhanced collaboration and refactoring, you can go with Windsurf. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.